guys, welcome back. This is Sierra, and if you guys are new around here, my name is Sierra and I'm an American who lives in Japan. Every week I try to make a new video about my family's life here and how we live a little bit more sustainably. So I'm kind of tired right now, but I was just sitting here thinking and contemplating about what I wanted to make our family for dinner, and then all of a sudden my brain wandered to a video that my friend Jen and I made. Hi Jen, if you're watching, about Gyagoka last year. Maybe it was a year and a half ago, I don't know, something like that, whatever. Jen and I made this video and I'm kind of in the mood for these matcha pancakes that we had when we were in, I think it was the Shiro Cafe, but as of right now, because of COVID and everything, we are not really supposed to be going to downtown Tokyo, so I can't go back to downtown Tokyo to eat the pancakes. But I thought, what if I just made them at home? Actually, I did a video relatively recently where you guys saw a grocery haul where I bought the matcha powder, so I've been thinking about making this for quite some time and think today is the day, or tonight is the night since it's like 5 p.m. So I am going to go in and change my clothes really quick before I start cooking because I don't want to get all dirty. But anyways, today we are going to be recreating the green tea soya cream matcha pancakes that Jen and I had at the Shiro Cafe in Gyagoka last year. I'll put a picture of what the pancakes look like on the screen right here. They were beautiful, they were fluffy, they were rich, they were delicious, and it's been raining and kind of yucky outside, and I think it's just a pancake night. So I'm going to, as I already said, get changed, and then we're gonna get into the kitchen. Hey guys, so it's been like an hour or two and we're at my favorite part, and everyone I think favorite part of recipe testing, that is the taste test. So it doesn't look quite like as good as it did when I first made it because it kind of melted the cream a little bit, but it looks pretty delicious. So I'm gonna give it a try. Oh no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Ah! I should have put like a toothpick in it or something to hold it up. There we go. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Nobody will need to know. Ah! Well, it did look nice. Okay. Oh, I don't have a berry. There we go. Okay, let's give it a try. Mmm. This is really good. Especially the cream. Mmm. Yummy. Okay, let's do one more bite. For a first attempt, and having never ever tried anything like this at all, I would give myself 5 stars. It definitely doesn't taste like it did at the restaurant. It kind of tastes like that homemade like pancakiness plus the matcha flavor in the pancakes. If I were to do it again, and I probably will, I would probably increase the amount of matcha in the batter. And as you guys can tell, I'll put the comparison pictures up on the screen. The restaurant used, I think, green dye or green matcha powder in some of the cream to make it green, and I didn't do that because I forgot about it and I didn't realize until I started to put it together. So anyways, you guys, I've been in the kitchen for quite some time and I'm feeling pretty hungry, so I'm gonna go into the dining room with my family and enjoy these fluffy, beautiful pancakes. If you guys liked this video, which obviously you guys did, please make sure to like and subscribe and let me know what you think of this recipe in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Ready to try? Go ahead. Do it. Do it. Cuts it so gentlemanly. Do you like it?
Yes.
So good he can't even talk. All right, mister, what do you think?
Impressive.
Impressive?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Can I help you? You already had 2. You need more? One more. Okay. And a good nose pick. Yep. All right then.